Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about GMP and HACCP. For those who don't know what these terms mean, never fear, because I will talk about it just now. Well, in food industry, there are standard of practice that the food manufacturer can follow. As a matter of fact, they are encouraged to use this food practice in their manufacturing process. Nowadays, it has become a requirement for the food manufacturers to use these standards so that the products can be well received in the market. As a matter of fact, supermarkets like Walmart and Giant, Carrefour has used these standards to see whether goods are quality or not, whether the goods are qualified to be on their store shelf or not. That's the importance of these standards. There are two standards that I talk about is GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, and HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. GMP encompasses the elements of a manufacturing plant. It is outlined in its 8 elements, namely premise and facilities, operation control, sanitation and maintenance, personnel, transportation and distribution, traceability, internal audit, and training. While HACCP is a systematic approach to identify, evaluate, and control food safety hazard. The principles, the 7 of it, works like a flow chart. First of it is to conduct hazard analysis. Second, to determine critical control point. Third is to establish critical limits. Fourth, establish monitoring procedure. Fifth, to establish a corrective action. Sixth, to establish a verification procedure. And lastly, to establish a documentation of all of it. The difference between these two standards can be said that HACCP encompasses GMP. GMP is a set of documents telling you what resources you have and what is the things that you have at your disposal, while HACCP's documents tell you that what to use of your resources when things goes wrong. So, if the food industry have a license in HACCP, it doesn't have to have a GMP standard, but it's better to have both of them and do it in proper way, which is to have GMP first, then HACCP, because GMP is actually a prerequisite program for HACCP, but it's optional. So there you have it, the introduction to HACCP and GMP. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you like what you see, and bye bye.